My name is Jeff Evans, and since 1992, I've been presenting library magic shows. It's a long time, but I was born at a young age. This summer, I've been creating custom magic videos, hosting online magic workshops, and I've done a ton of Zoom shows. I've done a reading show, my science magic show, Secrets of Wizards, which is a Harry Potter themed show, and of course, just for fun magic shows. In all cases, you can count on me to arrive on time, online, with a show of amazing magic, and at the end, kids will remember that when they open a book, magical things happen.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I told you I was gonna sneak it out of there, and guess what? I took the card out and I put it on the pile. I put it on the table with the others. Seriously, pick up the cards, the other pile that you counted earlier, pick those up and count those cards.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you.
This is the paper that they print money on, like dollar bills, but not just regular dollar bills. It's the paper that they print $100 bills on. Yay, I'm rich! That's how to be retiring. This is it. This is the book that started my career in magic. And I remember when I was like 12 years old, I used to sit in my bedroom doing magic. And now here I am, fully grown, in my bedroom doing magic. It's like full circle. This pandemic has truly poked holes in our sense of reality. We've all learned to be flexible, to adapt to this new world. But I hope that in the near future, one of my next programs will be for you.